How to delete playlist on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and search for YouTube just to make sure you have an updated version of YouTube application. As you can see on the screen, there's an option of update, which means we have the latest version of YouTube application. So tap on open. As you tap on open, make sure you're logged into your account. Now here, after you have logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can see the playlist option, so just tap on view all. Now as you tap on view all, here you can see the playlist over here. Now if you want to delete the playlist on YouTube, you cannot delete the whole playlist at once. It's not possible as of now. Simply what you need to do is tap on each video and then tap on remove. Tap on each video and remove. So this is the only way that you can remove or delete the playlist on YouTube, by clicking on deleting all the videos. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.